I missed you.
Hmm? What are you doing?
Eating Eva.
Eating Eva.
Yummy, yummy Eva.
Yummy, yummy Eva. Oh yeah, come and feed her, come and feed her.
Yummy, yummy Eva.
Did they get a joke?
Daddy, give me Eva. I'm serious. Daddy, I'm hungry, Eva. Daddy, I'm hungry. Please. I'm hungry. Please.
How are you hungry? Because you've seen my food. How are you hungry? What? Hey. What are you doing? I'm asking you a question. Stop it.
Burton had also taken in Holloway's other two daughters as his own. He was a great man. He loved to spend time with his family, his kids. After the
Daddy, Simon. Daddy, give us Simon.
I should give you what?
Daddy, give us Simon.
It's not Simon. It's not Simon. It's Semo. It's Semo.
Daddy, Simon. Daddy, give us sugar. Daddy, give us sugar.
What?
Daddy, give us sugar.
What's that?
Sugar.
What is sugar?
Sugar.
Sugar. Remove your hand. It's not sugar. It's sugar. Stop it.
Daddy wants sugar.
Why do you want sugar?
I want sugar.
Why?
Daddy, I want sugar.
Why?
Daddy, I want sugar. I'm hungry.
They want your papa.
Yeah, what?
I'm hungry.
So now sugar and go cure your hunger. Who be this guy now? Hey, I go.
No.
Stop him. It's like you don't know that there are consequences in this life. Eh? Misbehaving. They'll talk to you, giving attitude. Why are you giving attitude? Who is your mate in this house? Something wrong with you? You think I'm joking with you? You stand there. Next time when I tell you something, you listen and you behave yourself. Can you imagine this?